Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the motorcycle that started it all for so many. This one belongs to legendary drag bike racer Sam Wills. This is a 1973 Z1-900 Kawasaki with the root beer tank. It's beautiful, and Sam plans to do a full restoration. As you can see, the bike is all there. And one feature that's going to make this bike incredibly valuable, you guys know how hard it is to find these stock pipes. It has the stock pipes on it. Everything's in great shape. Sam plans to strip it down. As you can see, everything needs maybe a little bit of powder coat here and there, a little polishing here and there, but it's all there. It's all original. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that, still has the air box on it with the old Mikuni carburetors. Great shape. And if you've been following what's going on at Mecum Auctions, these bikes restored are going for around $20,000. So really cool find here by drag racer Sam Wills.